Hi guys, do you have your own YouTube channel? If you are building your own content, a captivating intro video can attract more followers. And let's know how to create one together in this video. Launch VideoProc Vlogger. Create a new project. Import all the prepared materials. Find this icon and click on it. Change the default black background to white. Click Apply to apply the adjustments. Click the text icon in the toolbar and delete the text content. Find the camera icon above the preview window and click on it to generate the current image. Return to the main interface and click the icon again. Change the color to red. And click Apply to return to the main interface. Click the camera icon to generate the second image. After completing this, we import them together. Change the background color back to black. Drag the white image to a video track and adjust the duration. Drag a photo to the overlay track and adjust its duration. Open the Effects panel in the top left corner. Find the circular mask effect and drag it to the timeline aligned with the photo. In the inspector, edit the scope. Uncheck canvas and check photo only. Adjust the properties. And then select the photo. In the inspector, add a fading effect for the photo. Adjust the scale and the position. And that's it. Then select the text, adjust the duration, and edit the content in the inspector. Choose the desired font style. Adjust the text size and position in the frame. Click the color box to change the text color. Scroll down to the animation area. Add appear and disappear animations. And remove the text shadow. Click this icon to add a subtitle track. Open the titles panel in the top left corner. Drag a preset to the empty track. Add the channel name in the inspector. Choose the desired font style. Adjust the text size and position. Click the Edit Text icon for more editing. Adjust the space value on the right. Click the Animation panel on the left. Choose the Click Down Roll effect. Adjust the animation time on the right. Click Apply to apply the adjustments. Use the shortcut Ctrl+C to copy it and Ctrl+V to paste it later. Adjust the duration. Click the Edit Text button to change the Appear animation to fade out. Click this button to add a few overlay tracks. Drag a video to overlay track 1. Adjust its duration. In the inspector, click Hide to fade it to a screen. Find the motion icon in the toolbar and click on it to enter the new interface. Select the Cinematic Open to automatically generate the effect. Adjust the time intervals of a few keyframes. Move the playhead forward. Click Add keyframe to generate 2 identical keyframes. Select the second keyframe. Adjust the box to make the image smaller and centered. Add a speed curve. Click Add keyframe at the last frame to keep the animation. And click Apply to apply the adjustments. Drag a few more video clips to follow. Adjust their durations for rhythm. And adjust their scales to keep consistent. Drag a red image to overlay track and complete the basic editing. Click the motion icon to add the effect. Add a keyframe at first frame. Adjust the box to fill the entire screen. Move the playhead forward. Click Add keyframe to add a speed curve. Return to the first keyframe. Move the box to the right until it is out of the frame. Click Apply to apply the adjustments. Drag the YouTube logo to an empty track, and I will share the material on Google Drive. You can find a link in the description box down below. Find the Fade and Move in the inspector. Add a fading effect. Scroll down to adjust its scale and position. Add a text to complete. Add the word in the inspector. Modify some text attributes as needed, just like in the first part. Apply the folder and circular mask effect here. Adjust the avatar size and position for more harmonious layout. Don't forget to add a music track and do some other editing. Alright, that's it for today's video. If you want to know more about other and tricks or what has been going on with VideoProc Vlogger, be sure to click that subscribe button to subscribe channel if you haven't yet. And we'll see you soon in our next video. Hope you enjoy. Bye bye!